Hello class 9. Today we will be learning some features common for ionic bonding. Metals always lose their outermost electron to form a positive ion. They may have one electron, two or three electron in the outermost shell. So to acquire the nearest noble configuration, electronic configuration, they lose the electrons. Whereas non-metals are the next one which are taking part in ionic bonding. They are the one who gains electron. They may gain one electron, two or three to acquire the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. In both the cases, the ions formed have more stable electronic configuration. That is that both the metals and non-metals have gained the electronic configuration of noble metal. Okay, now we will be learning that certain structures of electrovalent compound. That first one is formation of sodium chloride. In this, what is happening? First, sodium metal as 281 loses one electron to become stable cationic form sodium plus 28, and after giving this electron, it becomes positively charged ion known as cations. And next to it is the chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal having 287 electronic configuration, and this chlorine, to acquire nearest noble gas configuration, requires one electron. It gains, which is being given by sodium, and get converted into chlorine negative ion. A neutral atom changes into an anion. Now, when both the chlorine and the sodium has changed into ions, because they are opposite in charge, they start attracting each other with a strong electrostatic force of attraction. So now what is happening over here? This is the structure formula. They will ask you to write a structural formula of the compound. Chloride ions and sodium cations combines with one another and results like this way. So this is a case of a neutral sodium. This is chlorine atom. Now sodium, after losing, get converted into this cationic form. Now in the atomic form, it is having 3 shells. When it get converted into cation, it is only having 2 shells with a positive charge, which is very compulsory to put, as I told in doubt class. Chlorine atom also, after gaining one electron, get converted to chloride ion form. Now they combine with each other and result in the formation of an ionic compound sodium chloride. So this is an orbit structure. They may ask you to draw orbit structure. Be careful what is there in your syllabus. Orbit structure. Then second to it, there is one more structure, that is about magnesium chloride. That is formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium is a metal with 282 electronic configuration. Again, it will lose 2 of its electrons, as it has been shown here, to acquire nearest noble gas configuration 28 of neon. So magnesium atom changes to magnesium cation. Similarly, chlorine with 17 atomic number, 17 electrons, 7 in the outermost shell, require 1 electron. So it gains 1 electron, but here it is shown 2 chloride atom gains 2 electrons. You can write 1 chlorine with 1 electron also. But there they are taken 2 chloride atoms. So they are forming 2 chloride anions. Now there is 1 magnesium cation and 2 chloride ions. So when they will be combining with each other, they will be forming magnesium MgCl2. So this is its atomic orbital form, orbital structure. That 1 magnesium and 2 chloride ions. So 1 magnesium atom changes into magnesium ion, and these 2 chlorine atoms changes into 2 chloride ions. And see the square bracket and the negative charge, and square bracket and the positive charge for cations and negative charge for anion. This is very much compulsory. Similarly, we are having another structure, that is of calcium oxide. That is of calcium oxide. Now calcium is atomic number 20, 2882, whereas oxygen is having 8 atomic number, electronic configuration 26. Now calcium loses 2 electrons, get converted to calcium cation 288, whereas oxygen gains 2 electrons. one atom of oxygen gains 2 electrons to get converted into 8 electronic configuration with O minus 2 charge on it. This is their formation of ion. What is this reaction? Formation of ions. Then this is the orbital structure where we are showing formation of ion. Calcium get converted to calcium cation and oxygen get converted to oxygen oxide form, oxide. So this cation of magnesium and oxide form combine with each other because there is an attraction, electrostatic force of attraction. A Coulomb force is there between them, which is letting them to come near to each other. So this is about the formation of the ionic compound. Okay.